Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore villa area in Seminyak on October 2021. Okay guys, you see right side? There is Trans Resort. It's the big resort in Seminyak. I show you this resort because there is one request from my viewers yesterday. Okay guys, now we continue driving to explore how the situation at the moment villa area in Seminyak. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in villa area in Seminyak, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, as I told you, today we will explore villa area in Seminyak during the pandemic corona on October 2021. And now we are in Kerobokan Street. So you see, the situation at the moment in Kerobokan Street is look a bit busy, isn't it? There is a lot of shop is already open. And on this road there is a lot of car and motorbike drive around in this area. So it's mean like Bali getting better. Actually, if you see in the right side or left side, there is a lot shop is already open. Actually, I'm gonna say Bali getting busy because there is a lot local tourism come to Bali to make vacation. And also there is a lot of shop, restaurant, spa, hotels are open now. So that's why who people working there, they driving around in this area. And as we know together, the international flight is already open in Bali, but there is not so many international tourism coming to Bali yet. Okay guys, from Raya Kerobokan we turn left to explore villa area in Seminyak, and now we are in Brabant Street. Brabant Street is very famous because this is like small area, but there is a lot of villa right there. So we'll see together how the situation at the moment villa area in Seminyak. You see the right side? Yeah, there is the villa, but look very quiet. And actually, I already explored this area is last month, so you can compare how the different the situation last month in September and now in October. And on this area there is not so many shopping area because in this area only villa. And also in this area there is laundry and some restaurant. So that's why even before the pandemic corona, in this area there is not so many people walking around on the sidewalk. So it's like normal, no people walk on the sidewalk. But usually in this area I was busy with the car and motorbike drive around on this area because in this area there is a lot of villa. You see right side? There is the villa and some car parking there. That is really good. There's another villa right side. Yeah, there's some car parking there. Okay guys, now we turn right to continue in Brabant Street. You see right side? There is like a Chinese restaurant, but they closed in the pandemic corona. And you see left side? There is a villa. Yeah, there is a lot of car parking there. Actually, in this area is just nearby central of Seminyak. You see, along this area, left side and right side, there is a villa. So that's why, as I told you, this is villa area. Yeah, there is some car parking left side at villa. On this video, I make video around 9-minute video without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in this area. You see left side? B villa and a lot of car parking there. That's good. If I turn left, there is the way to go to central of Seminyak. It's just only around 10 minutes by walk to the central Seminyak. In central Seminyak, as we know together, there is very famous area for a shopping because right there is Seminyak Square, Seminyak Village, and Art Market Seminyak. So that's why in this area before the pandemic corona, usually there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk because this area just nearby the central of Seminyak. Okay, we continue driving in Brabant Street. You see right side? Yeah, there is a villa and some car parking there. But you see, on the road it's very quiet, isn't it? There is not so many car traffic around in this area this time. You see left side? There is also villa. Yeah, but look empty. You see left side? There is another villa. And there is a lot of car parking there. That's good. Maybe who people stay in the villa this time, they just make a tour in Bali because the weather is very beautiful today. So they are not in villa. And also on the road it's not so busy because they going outside from Seminyak. If you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear weather. It's very hot today actually. There is another villa left side. Yeah, look busy. Villa Dedayu. Oh, there is a taxi on the road. That's good. Left side villa. Also right side there is air villa. So many villa in this area, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I believe there is a lot of people missing this area. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Yeah, there was some car parking at the front of villa right side. Also left side. As we know together, the international border is already open. But there is not so many international tourism come to Bali yet. You see right side? Yeah, there is some car parking at the front of the villa. I think they are local people who come from another island from Bali. You see left side also? There is the car parking at the villa. Maybe they come from Java or maybe they come from Lombok Island. Oh yeah, there is the villa left side. Actually some car parking there. You see restaurant left side? Yeah, there is some people have lunch right there. Another villa right side, some car parking. So many domestic tourism at the moment in this area. I'm really happy to see that actually. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment at villa area in Seminyak. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.